Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the carrot coins in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Carnival update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Carnival update has been dropped in Grow a Garden and there is a new coin called carrot coins. So now there are four type of coins. The first one is the garden coins, and then the tokens, and also shekels, and then the last one or the newest update, we can get this coin, the carrot coins. And you can also buy the carrot coins from the shop, but you need 99 Robux and it's so expensive. And I'm going to show you tips to get the carrot coins. Okay guys, first of all, you need to complete the quest. You can talk to this NPC, this one. Oh, oops, sorry, not this one, but this one, Greg. Okay, talk to Greg to view your quest. Okay, and the quest will be resetted after 30 minutes. And after you complete the quest, you can claim your carrot coins like this. Just tap on the coins. Okay. And you can use the carrot coins to spin this wheel. Okay, each spin need one carrot coin. Okay, just like this. And oh my god, I got great. And yeah, okay guys, that's how you can get the carrot coins. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.